What's up, everybody? We're out in the Thomas on a Saturday, and we have a broken spring. This is a question I get asked a lot, is how long does it take for a service? So this one's a little more involved. We've got a TorqueMaster spring system for our Wayne Dalton 9100. Ton of these doors in the Sacramento area. So we're going to take out that entire system and put this one in. I'm gonna guesstimate 30 to 40 minutes for a solid job, not rushing. And we'll put a timer on it, do this job, see how long it takes, and gauge it off of that. So follow along, and we're just gonna run through the job as a time lapse so you guys can kind of see how it's done. I do get a lot of questions about one-piece spring changes. We have a video. If you wanna click on the link, you can check that out as well. So here we go. Pull the original cables out because they are a smaller diameter down here on your attachment point, as well as the actual cable itself, than the ones that come with your standard 2-inch hardware. This is an old trick of the trade. I do not have that drum done over there. So what I'm gonna do is wind this, but I'm not gonna tighten my set screws. I'm just gonna let it rest against the strut. That way it's done. But I'm secured here and I'm secured there. I know some of you are thinking as well, Sam, there's not 2 springs on this double door. You're right. Wayne Dalton makes these doors extremely light and engineers them for 1 spring. If we were to do 2 springs on this, we would be down to a 187 wire gauge, which is really, really small. So we followed Wayne Dalton's manufacturer specs and put a single spring with the size that they engineered for this door. So if anything ever does happen, this torsion system is set up exactly to spec per Wayne Dalton. We can work with that all day, every day, guys. Let's reprogram this motor. "20 minutes and 13 seconds from start to stop." I probably have about another 10, 15 minutes to take payment, pick up, make sure everything's good to go. But 20 minutes for a Wayne Dalton 9100 torsion system change out for factory specs. Anybody in the Sacramento area that is in some of these newer developments, even as far back as like 20 years ago, we're gonna have these kind of doors in them. If you have the internal springs up top, give us a call if you have any questions about your door. It's a little harder to tell if they're broken or not. Your door is gonna be a lot heavier than normal. So we'll come out, do an inspection for you. We always have this gear on the truck for these doors. So if you need us, give us a call, go to the website, fill out the little form, and we'll get back in touch with you really quickly. Go like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.